Now in the question, there is a potentiometer wire in the experiment. The EMF of the battery of the primary cell is given to be 20 volt and its internal resistance is given to be 5 ohm. There is a resistance box and its resistance can be varied between 120 ohm to 170 ohm. And resistance of the potentiometer wire AB is given to be 75 ohm. Now we need to find the correct option, that what should be the potential difference which could be measured by this potentiometer wire. So let us first find out the maximum amount of current. Current will be maximum when resistance of the circuit is minimum, that is resistance of the resistance box has to be 120 ohm. So I max is equal to 20 volt by 5 ohm plus 120 ohm plus 75 ohm, that is 20 by 200 ampere or 1 by 10 ampere. So potential difference across AB, the maximum value of potential difference across the wire AB is equal to I maximum into 75 ohm, that is 1/10 ampere into 75 ohm, that is equal to 7.5 volt. So the maximum potential difference which could be measured is up to 7.5 volt, and we can measure any value lesser than 7.5 volt. So V across AB will be less than equal to 7.5 volt. Now let us look at the option. In option A it is 5 volt, option B 6 volt, in C it is 7 volt, and in D it is 8 volt. So a potential difference of 8 volt cannot be measured by this potentiometer wire, but we can measure 5 volt, 6 volt and 7 volt. So A, B and C are the correct option.